What's going on, guys? How you doing? Welcome back. As you saw it in the title, we are one step closer to getting done. After this, we've got like 2 things left and the truck's ready to roll. That's fucking cool. So, without further ado, let's check it out, shall we? By the way, hope you guys are having an awesome day, or evening, or morning, or whenever, right? Middle of the night, fucking 4:30 in the morning. Some of you bastards are crazy like that. I love you. I appreciate it. Anyways, what did we get? Today, we got the intake. So let's open this up here and see what we got. Alright. Oh, look at that. What the fuck? It comes with instructions. Huh. We got instructions, folks. All the different makes and models that this kit fits. So you guys can see. Let's check out these instructions. It's fucking cool. Oh, that tells you to take off the old shit. And then what? Oh, then build the airbox. I don't know if I'm going to use this. Probably not. So, and this is going to be going that way. So, cool. Let's see what we got, shall we? Let's move that off to the side there. I will move this box onto the chair. We'll start with the pipe first. Oh. Nice. Because this was the piece that I was most worried about. You know what, guys? I'm going to unbox all this shit, and then we'll be right back. Alright. We got everything all unboxed. Everything came a little bit, bent. That is going to get shaved off before I use it, because I don't want those fucking particles going into my motor. As you guys can see, it's fucking gross. The tube, I'm thinking this is going to end up getting zipped off, and so is that. I got my compressor plugged in so I can zip it. This, I'll have to give her a quick wipe. That's all scratches, and those are deep fucking scratches. So that's cool. But it looks pretty good so far. Got all the clamps. Over here I've got my old air filter, my K&N, with my O2 sensor. So, or not my O2 sensor, fuck, my mass airflow sensor. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this filter and just clean it up, or use, the one that came with it. So, might use this one, not sure. This one's damaged. So, that's always fun. But at the end of the day, too, I can always replace it with a K&N, right? So, but yeah, I got black couplers. I was going to go orange, but this kit probably won't stay on the truck very long if we're going to run turbos. So, and my stepdad's truck's black, so I figured, well, when I'm done with it, I can give this to him. So, maybe I won't cut the shit off. What's left in the box is just the air box. So let's come over here now. I'm gonna have to take all this off. Take this shroud back off, or maybe not. We'll see. I'll be back with an update. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Alright, guys, the way I wanted to route this thing is not gonna work, just because of the tabs and shit on it. So we're gonna end up, here, I'll show you guys. We're gonna end up something like that. So kind of sucks. I built the box, however, it won't work with what I'm doing. So I'm gonna save it for my stepdad's truck, because like I said earlier, when this is turboed, this will end up on his truck. So yeah, Kind of wish I would have had this before I did this coolant line, I tell you that much. But we'll see what we can do. Is that any indication on how shit's going? Ah, my thumb. Holy fuck, fellas and ladies. I know there's a couple of you fellettes that watch the show. I know there's at least 2. So, we appreciate you. Don't you love it when shit does not go as planned? Want to see what I've been fighting with for the last couple hours? I had to, as you can see, the intake's still not on yet. It's sitting right here. So, I had to cut off the pieces. So, and you're probably wondering, oh, you're seeing all the fucking pieces of, you know, tubing, saw, you know, chunks of tubing on the floor here. Probably wondering, you know, what the fuck is going on? Piece over there. Well, long story short, if you look, I had to remake. Let me grab that flashlight. I'm bad at that. I had to remake the top coolant line, as you can see. Same with the steam port tube or whatever. I had to move everything because the fucking intake was just not right. Like, it doesn't go this way, which kind of is a piss off because I wanted it to be right here. Like, you know. But this is in the way. And I can't have it normally over here where it's supposed to be because the battery's in the way. And I can't have it go straight up because I gotta put a hood on this bitch. And I can't have it just run straight down because I don't have electric fans. I got this fucking cunt right now, right? And even then, he's not all the way on. So, zip tie piece, I see. I have to clean that up. But we got that on. We got the new hose made. So now, let's get that fucking intake tube on and see how it turned out. Alright guys, there it is. The clamps that came with it, these clamps, fucking suck. You hear me, Low Star? Fix your fucking clamps, they are garbage. I gotta wait till Monday to actually finish it because co-op's closed, like the one co-op is closed now until Monday. They're not open on the weekends, and they're the only ones in town that have fucking clamps like that. So, fucking, this kit is garbage. I'm gonna tell you that, guys, straight up. But we got it on. We got it on. You get what you pay for, right? It's junk. So, we got it on. We got the 90. Worst case scenario, I got the piece. Like, I could just put this right here. Right here. You know what I mean? But, got everything done. If you look, it's hard to see. Let me see if we can come under here. Yeah, the belt just clear, the fucking hose just clears the belt. Like, just fucking clears it. So, which, I'm sure after a few, you know, miles, this is going to come loose, and it's going to turn down. It's going to push this tube into this fucking hose, which is going to push this hose into this fucking belt, and it's going to go psss. This is a junk kit. Plus two, the hood ain't gonna close. I know that for a fact. Like, yeah, hood ain't closing. So, I don't know. It'll work for now. Next is hopefully the fuel system shit. I ordered all of it, so it should be here. I think I'm filming this right now, like the end of April. And miraculously, it's like fucking plus 15 out, but it's still kind of cold, kind of weird. Anyways, I ordered everything. The beginning of May, shit should start showing up. Middle of May, end of May. By what is it? June, I think. June 10th, I think, is like the date for the last pieces to show up. And then we're done, except for the exhaust and the wiring. So, I guess what the fuck do I do? Take a month off? I got videos lined up for you guys for the whole month of May. So, like, for you guys, we'll get a video a week, at least a video a week. You know what I mean? I would love to get 2 out a week. But we'll see how shit goes. We've still got this guy here to fuck around with. So we could probably maybe work on this guy while we're waiting to finish up this. Is that fucking another dent in that fender? Son of a bitch. I hope not. But yeah, while we're waiting to finish up on the last fucking pieces for this guy, we could maybe work on this guy here. What do you guys think? So, hopefully. Because I have a feeling I can get this thing running pretty quickly. Well, except for that wiring. But pretty soon I can get this thing running. I have a feeling on that. But yeah, here's where we're going to end today. It's Friday night. Having some, there we go, some cold pops. I've got fucking notifications now bouncing like crazy on my phone. New Vice Grip Garage, all that shit. So, perfect time to end the day, and it's just me, just me and the 2-year-old, like my youngest human that I'm responsible for. So, yeah, get home, put her to bed, and watch some Vice Grip Garage and drink some beers, I guess, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I'd love to hear it. What do you guys think of this? It's not how I wanted it at all. If I can get electric fans, get rid of the shroud, I'm gonna run this thing straight down, out and down. So that fucking sucks. I wanted to run it this way, but I can't because this is in the fucking way. So, and I'm really too worried about that fan. Like, I think we should be okay. It'll just fucking clear it. Like, just clear it, if anything. So, because, like, let's see, we've still got a bunch of thread left, eh? See? So, how close are we? That's pretty fucking close, I'm not gonna lie. And then with the amount of thread we have left, oof, that's gonna be tight. Fuck's sakes. Hit the goddamn wrong button again. Anyways, that's gonna be tight. I might end up just scrapping this whole deal. You never know, right? It didn't work. It doesn't work. It will work to start the truck. I don't need the fan to start the fucking truck. I don't need the fan to start the truck. But no, it'll work. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm not a fan of this. Are you? Like, that's kind of janky, eh? I guess I could always get more rad hose and come out and come under, right? They come through, right? They come straight back this way instead of it coming at an angle. Come out more this way and then this way and around. I guess I could, and then drop this down more. We'll see. We'll see. But now, I'm calling her a day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. I'd really appreciate your subs. And if you want to hit the notification bell, you can. If not, not a big deal. Like 80% of the people, 80 to 90% of the people that watch my videos aren't subs, man. Come on, please. I do it for you. For real. For every sub I get, like, you sub to me, I'll sub back. Because it tells me, right? So, for real, I'm not kidding. But until next time, guys, stay safe out there. Love ya. God bless.